Hello guys, how are you doing, guys? uh, Today also, as usual, I have got another free account for you guys. Just look at it. mm, this is your pipes free account, one step challenge. So everyone, you can claim this account just following these simple steps. You don't miss this account. It is 6,000 dollar. It is free. How to claim your free 6,000 your pipes fund trading account? So everyone, you can claim this account just for free. How? Follow these simple steps. First of all, you go to register. Here I'll put the link in my YouTube channel description, or Telegram channel, so you can get the link from both, as well as TikTok. So after you get the link, click here, uh, get funded, something like. So after you click get funded, then you come here, fill uh, your name, last name, email address, country, phone number, password. Then click these two uh, box. Then after that, get funded. Once you register, then you go to your email and verify your email. After that, you come here, sign in. You come here, sign in, put your email address and your password. Put your email address and the password. Once you click it, once you click, then you come here. Now look at it. There is nothing. I don't have account right now, but now I show you how you can get this account. After you register, after you sign in, then follow these steps to claim your account. So after that, let me show. uh, Look at it. To get this account, just uh, complete this some tasks. 5 tasks, I think. Number one is review. Download the app and write review and give 5 star. That's simple. Number two is step two is write your review and give 5 star in Trustpilot. That is downloading app itself. This number one is your pipes download from App Store. Number two, Trustpilot review and give 5 star. 5 star review is must. Number three, create video and post. It is simple. Number four is join Discord. Just clicking the link. This one, just go and join the Discord channel. Then number five is funding. You will get account through email address. So that's all.